Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This video will provide you with all required details about the third advanced stealth frigate for which the keel was laid by Mazakon Dock Shipbuilders on September 10, 2020. We will also discuss the latest happenings with the Project 17A, which is also known as Nilgiri class frigate project, under which this advanced frigate is being built. If we take a quick recap about Project 17A, under this particular project, it was decided to build 7 ships, and out of these 7 ships, 4 of them would be built by Mazakon Dock Limited, and 3 of them by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. These Nilgiri class frigates will have improved stealth when compared to the Shivalik class frigates. In addition to having improved stealth, these frigates will have a covered mooring deck and ELM 2248 multifunction surveillance track and guidance radar. These radars employ multi-beam and pulse Doppler techniques as well as robust electronic countermeasures technique to extract low radar cross-section targets from complex clutter and jamming environments. These types of AESA radars, manufactured by Israel Aerospace Industries, provide a low probability of intercept of emitted signals, and this helps the ships remain stealthy. Weighing only 7 tons, these systems can be installed on even smaller vessels of corvette size and above. Coming back to the details of keel laying of the third frigate at Mazakon Dock Shipbuilders Limited on September 10, 2020. So, what actually is this keel laying? Laying the keel is a formal procedure to start a ship's construction, and it is often marked with a ceremony attended by members of the shipbuilding company and the end user. The names of other ships being built and to be built under this particular project are INS Nilgiri, INS Himgiri, INS Udaygiri, INS Junagiri. These 4 ships would be built by Mazakon Dock, and the other 3 ships, which are INS Taragiri, INS Vindhyagiri, and INS Mahendragiri, would be built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. INS Nilgiri, which is the lead ship of this Nilgiri class project, is expected to be commissioned into Indian Navy by 2022 tentatively. The rest of the frigates in the pipeline is expected to be commissioned before 2025, and this is also tentatively. Coming to the general characteristics of these frigates, the length of these frigates are 149 meters, the beam stands at 17.8 meters, and the draft at 5.22 meters. The speed of these frigates are 52 km per hour. Coming to the sensors and electronics warfare systems installed on these frigates, all these systems are manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited, like the Hamsa NG bow sonar and the Bharat Electronics Ajanta electronic warfare system. These frigates are equipped with Kavach decoy launchers, which is an anti-missile system to distract the radar-guided missiles from their targets and act as a system for self-defense. Coming to the armaments, these frigates are equipped with Barak 8 long-range surface-to-air missile and BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. Not just that, these ships have base systems 5-inch 62 caliber Mk-45 naval gun, AK-630 fully automatic naval close-in weapon system, and RBU-6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. So that was all about the Nilgiri class frigates and the recent update on keel laying of the third advanced stealth frigate by Mazakon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. We also discussed the other ships of this particular class and the details about the same. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.